In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can format a USB on your PC. So to format a USB, this is a really simple process. So the first thing you will need to do is head to the bottom on your taskbar and open up your File Explorer. Once you have opened up that, what you can do now is insert your USB you want to format. So as you can see, I have just inserted my USB, and then this is where it will be shown on the left hand side bar here. So I have just inserted this USB drive, and if I want to format this, all I simply need to do is right click. Once you right click, as you can see, there is an option for format right here. Click on format, and then it will bring up this little pop-up box here, and what you'll be able to see is you'll be able to see the capacity, the file system, allocation unit size, and you can restore device defaults. So what you can do here is you can choose the file system, so you have NTFS, FAT32 and exFAT. So what most will be is FAT32. Click on that, and then you can click on the start button for a quick format, and if you want a full format you can uncheck this box here and then click start, and then what that will do is it will format your USB drive. So it's just as simple to format a USB drive, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.